Bonus, got the new boots. Let's see if they fit. Got the new Alpinestars. They say that they run a little bigger, so I ordered the 11.5 from US. Very nice. Not as red as I thought. Definitely a little bit of orange tint to them. But they look good. More importantly, as long as they do their job. But very nice. Let's try them on. They got the inner boot. New Alpinestars Supertech R Tech. The question is, do I need to read instructions to put on boots? Because they got an inner one. So I think I gotta put the inner one on first. No, we'll just try to put them on here. That actually might be a good question.
How to put on a boot?
I'm telling you, man. Oh, they feel good. Can confirm. I wear size 12 and these definitely are perfect. I have wider feet and they do feel good. If you have size 12s, definitely get the 11.5. All right.
That would be why it didn't fit.
That would be why my size 12s turn into 8s. Oh, I tell you what, they do feel good though. Definitely. Oh, perfect. Hey, that was an awesome first ride on my Ducati 2024 V4. That video is going to come up soon, but today we did an unboxing, my first unboxing of some boots. I'm not a boot guy. I'm not an expert in boots. I don't sell boots. I wear them. They're cool, they look good, they're protective, and they're comfortable. I wish I was getting paid to wear them, but I'm not. I'm just telling you, if you like them, they look cool, go get them. And they'll piss off your wife too. They're a good boot for the track. So what I've been told. But I'd recommend them. I took them for a ride for about 2 hours today, and I gotta break them in a little bit, but they're a great boot. They're really comfortable, which is number one, and they're gonna be protective too. So check them out, and we'll see you guys next time.